What about the language situation? The defendant speaks 5 languages. English is his 5th. This friend of 10 years obviously does not speak English well enough to the point where he doesn't need an interpreter. And he's speaking Spanish. And Miu is Romanian. And he's an engineer. He's an intelligent individual that does seem to be way down on the list of murder suspects, given other, facts. How does that factor in?
You said something earlier I didn't think about till you said it, and I fully agree with it, which is that if you speak a million languages, and English is your last of the 5th languages that you speak, it's bound to have play a role in you misunderstanding a teenage gang and not knowing whether or not they are being nefarious towards you, whether or not they're being aggressive to you. You brought that up. I agree with you, and I think that's absolutely going to be in the closing argument of the defense attorneys, which is, look, he spoke 5 languages. English was the last of his 5th. If I tell you, go eat cake, you'll interpret it one way. A person who doesn't speak English might interpret that a different way. He must have interpreted and might have interpreted some of the things they said as antagonistic. That does not show that he had any intent to do anything aggressive.
Yeah, anyway, it explains that look on his face when they're going back and forth, that he's not saying anything, he's just kind of there, and then he finds himself in the water. It's a fascinating case, it sure is. We'll get a break here. We'll get you back into